What is going on, friends? Today, I'm going to be sharing with you guys a method that I have been utilizing to get as many coins in Madfut 23 as I want. And I have been playing them for probably the better part of a couple of months now, and I find myself oftentimes wanting more resources, rather if it's just because I want to access different parts of the game or I want to level up, whatever it may be. I find that, purposefully, I imagine, I desire the resources. So I went searching for a way that I could get them for free. I actually found one, oddly enough, on Instagram, and it works really well. I'm going to go ahead and show you guys how it works, all this jazz. This video is already getting too long, so let me go ahead, stop my babbling, start my explaining, and let's get into it. Okay, so here we are in Madfut 2023. This is basically just a regular screen, and you're probably wondering, okay, he doesn't really have all that much stuff. Well, I am going to go ahead and show you right here. Just click on that right there. That's going to open up the Madfut 23 mod version 2.7a. And guys, as you can see, there's unlock all the cards, unlock all bot trades. It also has an auto clicker, which I have only used a little bit, but worked really well when I used it. But of course, we're doing unlimited resources today, so I'll just go ahead and hit that right there. And then what we're going to do is we're going to hit this activate button right up there, guys. And now it should just load for a second. It does take a second because it has to connect to the servers. And then there it goes, guys. Look at that. 100% of my collections is full, and I have unlimited resources. I know it says like 99999, but when I spend resources, guys, those don't actually go down. So yeah, I mean, it works pretty well, but I'm sure you guys are like, wait a second, I don't have that on my app. You guys are clicking up there. It's actually because this is a different version. Here, I'll show you right here, Tweak Valley. We type it in just like that, Tweak Valley, TweakValley.com. Type that into your URL and hit go, guys. Here's the app that we're trying to download right there. Let's go ahead and hit that install button. Now, this is going to install something called a configuration profile. It's not a very large game, but then it's going to ask us if we're trying to download this profile. We are, and then it wants us to go to our settings if we want to install it. So like I said, a lot of people get tripped up here, but it's really not that confusing. Go ahead and open up your settings for me, guys, and what we're going to do is we are going to go ahead and start on the main page, and we're going to go into general. After that, we're going to scroll down from the fourth from bottom. You're going to see something called VPN and device management. In there, under your top section, you'll see downloaded profiles. There's the app we're trying to download. Click on that little rectangle thing and hit the install button in the top right corner. It's going to ask you for a passcode. It just means your regular unlock passcode. Then hit next, and then install up here and install down here. After that, guys, you are done, so click done, because it is done. Madfut 23 is ready to go with unlimited resources.